It's me, Mr. Mohammad Raza, in front of you. Today it is our debating talk, and I support a topic that is the school days. And he is Mr. My opponent, Mr. Zoeb. He is saying that the holidays. So I say that school days. If school days are on, then the students can learn many things from the schools and teachers and many other their classmates and schoolmates. So if there is for holidays, then no one there except social media. So no one was present to instruct them.
Excuse me, Mr. Raza, you said that there will be no one to teach them.
Yes.
But I want to clarify you that they want some time to amplify the rules and regulations that they learn from their school. In school, teachers tell them that they should clean their home, they should clean their room, but they want some time to clean their room. So and that time is the holidays. During holidays, they can clean their room, they can maintain themselves, and they can.
Excuse me, Mr. Zul. You had said that the teachers have to teach them to clean their rooms and to clean their
Yes, this is the responsibility of teacher to teach them in their schools what the child learned in the school. The child learned rules and regulation of life in their school.
Yeah, teacher teach them, but this is the effect of the student. They don't follow them. If
They want time to follow them. If there was no holidays, and when they can do this. Can you tell me that if there was no holiday, then how can you maintain your cupboard? How can you maintain your room? Have you any time?
Excuse me, Mr. Zoeb, that the school, we all know the school is only, I think, 5 to 6 hours. All the time they have not to work.
After school, you study yourself. You do your homework and then centers and then preparation for your next day. All these things you must follow. All these things you should go to mosque. You should offer your prayers. You should eat. You should enjoy. You should play. You should maintain your whole. You should follow a timetable. You should do everything. It's not just study. You should do everything if you want to be a good and successful person in your life.
Yeah, but I am talking about the school days, and
it starts from school days.
Yeah, it is the
when you are 20 years old, you cannot do these things. You should learn these things when you are.
Holiday give a student much need homeworks and other works. Holidays people relax that dates and other holidays students come for homeworks and we go to homes. They relax, maintains of their disciplines and other respect other parents.
Excuse me, Mr. Kuban. You had said that they must follow. They can follow the discipline in the holidays. But I have recently told Mr. Zob that in the holidays they don't follow anything because it is the mistake of student. They don't follow.
They had not learned these things from their school. Then they are not following it. If a child is educated, if a child is well learned, that he can do these things in his holidays.
Mr. Pakistani students often have too many directions at home during holidays, students preventing focused study.
In Pakistan, many students live in away from family members. That holidays give that students come our homes and meet and family members.
Excuse me. School helps students stay physically active through.
You said that school helps children to remain physically active. But let us start with a short example that when you go to school and then after 2 to 3 periods or 4 periods, you take a break, short break. Why are you taking this break? For refreshment. And I am saying that after 5 to 6 days of continuous study at your school, government announced 2 to or 1 day holidays. So this is the fact that this is the reason why holidays are important. Students must need some time to refresh themselves, to follow the discipline, to rest them, to do other type of tasks of your home.
School helps holidays can.
I am connecting Mr. Amiz, sir. So you had said that government has announced 1 or 2 days holidays. We are the human. We are the children. We have limited mind. We are not the robots that we can do everything in a time.
So that's why you are giving 2 days holidays, 2 days of holiday. Then you should learn these things. You should follow these things in your life, and then you will be a successful person. A person in the age of 25 years cannot be directly a successful person. Cannot be directly a disciplined person. He learns these things when he is a teenager, when he is a younger boy. He starts learning these things from that age.
Study studies do's in the holidays. Students go to home on Saturday, and all of these 7 days the students read in college and university, and school read at holy book. And one day is a holiday who is relax minds and do activity sports and paintings and other activity who is fresh minded, and many people depression in the academy and schools who is relax one day is a Saturday is a relaxed people.
Excuse me. Long holidays can increase the gap between low income student and those who have access to extra resources.
So, Kurban, you had said that the 7 days children study. Not the 7 days children study. Children,
He studies for 6 days and one day is holiday.
yeah, but
Sunday is holiday. Then I am saying this thing that there is a one holiday and child need a holiday.
yeah, but one holiday is correct. But I think you are talking about the like.
I'm not
you
saying
said-
that whole 7 days must be holidays.
Yeah.
I'm saying at least 1 or 2 days are holidays, should be holidays.
It is the it must be holidays. I said only one day. Like recently in last 2 months, our school closed. Many students, except if you are taking me and you, then we are studying here. Not other students. Every student cannot
If
come
anyone
here.
is interested, he can learn from mobile. Everyone in our society have mobile. Every child have a mobile. The child of 4 to 5 years can play a game in a mobile in a smartphone. Then why cannot he study from mobile?
Yeah.
Everything is available. Every matter is available. Books are available. Online lectures are available. You can study from them in your holidays.
Okay.
Holidays are not only for
Excuse me,
playing.
Mr. Zoeb, can you give me answer that uh, that that anyone in your home that who study in holidays at cell phone?
I myself study in holidays from my laptop.
Yeah, it is correct, but we are. I think
All the experience of MD they are studying now from their online from the smartphones or from their laptops, because all the schools, all the academies are closed now. They have just 10 or 12 days remaining, and they are studying from their own. They are studying online. No one is
excuse me,
coming to
Mr.
their homes and studying and guiding them.
If some students are interested, but I think most students are not
A person who is
interested.
faithful with his life, he is studying. But if a person don't wants to be a edu-
Now, Pakistani society values education highly, and more school days ensure children get proper education.
Study show that too much academic pressure and academic pressure lead to show the holidays give health mental issues like depressions and holidays give the student rest, and Pakistan's people is some people all and study, and some students go to college and university and classes, physical classes, and some students online classes.
Holidays may lead to children developing bad habits due to lack of structured routine.
Mr. Zoeb, I am answering to you that you have recently said that the students can learn from the cell phone. But we all have listened, we all have studied, we all have heard that it might be the issues of the eyesight, like you have the issue of the eyesight
I
and
have
many
issue of
others.
eyesight, but I have this issue since last 2 years. I don't. I am. But I am
I
talking
think
about
this
last
is
these
issue
two
from
two
using
months of. I'm studying from last 2 months, but I have this issue of eyesight from last 2 years.